In a major nationwide crackdown, over 9,400 WhatsApp accounts have been banned across India in just 12 weeks starting January 2026. These accounts were linked to an alarming rise of digital arrests, scams, where fraudsters impersonate officials to extort money. The center informed the Supreme Court that this action was part of a coordinated effort between government agencies and WhatsApp. To tackle the growing threat, WhatsApp has rolled out advanced safety system logo matching tools, monitoring of suspicious display names, and AI-based detection models that track evolving scam patterns. A centralized database is also being used to flag repeat offenders, tightening the noose around the cybercriminals. Authorities urge users to stay alert and report suspicious calls or messages immediately.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.